Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting journey into the wonders of the human body. Have you ever wondered how your body keeps ticking like clockwork, day in and day out? It's truly fascinating when you think about it. Well, the star of the show is none other than your cardiovascular system. This complex network is the unsung hero that keeps everything running smoothly. Let's dive into the incredible world of your heart and blood vessels and see just how this amazing system keeps you alive. From the moment you take your first breath to your last, your cardiovascular system is hard at work. First up, the heart, your body's engine. This vital organ is more than just a pump. It's a symbol of life and vitality. This fist-sized powerhouse pumps around 2,000 gallons of blood a day through a network of vessels that, if laid end to end, could circle the earth twice. Can you believe that? It's a testament to the efficiency and power of our bodies. Now, the heart has 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers called atria and 2 lower ones called ventricles. Each chamber plays a crucial role in the circulation process. Here's the cool part. The right side of your heart receives oxygen. Pour blood from your body and sends it to your lungs to pick up oxygen. This process is essential for replenishing your blood with the oxygen it needs. Then the left side receives this oxygen-rich blood and pumps it back out to your entire body. It's like a well-oiled machine, working tirelessly to keep you going. But what about the blood vessels? These are the highways and byways of your circulatory system. Well, they're the roads your blood travels on. Without them, the heart's pumping action would be in vain. There are 3 main types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Each type has a specific function that is vital to your health. Arteries take oxygen-rich blood from the heart to your body, while veins bring the oxygen-poor blood back. This constant exchange is what keeps your tissues nourished and healthy. And those tiny capillaries, they're where the real magic happens, exchanging oxygen, nutrients, and waste between your blood and your body cells. These exchanges are crucial for maintaining the balance and function of your body systems. And let's not forget about the pace setter, the sinoatrial node, or as it's better known, your heart's natural pacemaker. This small but mighty cluster of cells is essential for maintaining a steady heartbeat. This tiny cluster of cells sets the rhythm of your heartbeat, ensuring your heart muscles contract in harmony. Without it, your heart wouldn't be able to function properly. So, why is all of this important? Understanding the intricacies of your cardiovascular system can help you appreciate the importance of maintaining heart health. Because understanding how your cardiovascular system works helps you make better choices for your heart's health. Simple lifestyle changes can have a profound impact on your heart's function. Eating right, exercising, and avoiding smoking can all help keep this incredible system running smoothly. Regular physical activity and a balanced diet are key components of cardiovascular health. Remember, your heart works day and night to keep you going. It's a tireless worker that deserves your care and attention. So take a moment to appreciate this marvelous system and think about what you can do to help it out. Small changes in your daily routine can make a big difference. After all, a little heart love goes a long way. Show your heart some love by making healthy choices every day. Please share this video and like and subscribe to SkillSnacks. Thank you for your support.